how to buy stocks on Robinhood. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now, first of all, open the Robinhood app and after that search for a stock. Now, as you can see in the search bar at the top of the screen, type the name of the stock symbol you want to buy. For example, if you want to buy Apple, just type AAPL. After that, choose the stock. So once you find the stock, tap on it to open the stocks page, and here you will see details like the price, the last day's change, and more. After that, tap on trade. So now look for the green trade button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Now select buy. At the menu pop up, select the buy to start buying the buying process. So after that, enter the amount. So here you can choose how many shares you want to buy or how much money you want to invest. Just tap the number and type in your amount. Now, as you can see, now you review your order. So before you buy, take a look at the total amount and check the details. If everything looks good, tap review. And now you can confirm your purchase. So finally, tap submit to confirm your order. Your stock will be bought and you will see it in your portfolio. So this is how to buy stocks on Robinhood. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.